So this video is part 2 of factorizing quadratic equations. So here we have a squared plus 9a minus 36. So we have to do is plus and times. So it needs to multiply to get minus 36. And it needs to add to get plus 9. Okay, so what numbers multiply to get plus 9? Multiply to get minus 36, but add to get plus 9. So the factors of 36 are 1 and 36, but that obviously does not work. There's 2 and 18, but that also doesn't work. Then we've got 3 and 12. So since we have 3 and 12, we could do 12 minus 3, and that equals 9. So what we can do is a minus 3, because that, and then we can do a plus 12, because that will give you 36. Okay, so that is equal to this. You can check it, yes. So if you checked it, you would come back with a squared plus 12 minus 3a minus 36, which is equal to a squared plus 9a minus 36. So a minus 3 times a plus 12 will be the final answer for this question. Question 2 is surprisingly similar. We have z squared minus 15z plus 56. So we do the same things we've done before. Plus and multiply. So here, 56 can be divided by 1 and 56. So we multiply to get 56 and minus 15. We can also do 2 and 28 if you would like, I guess. 4 and 14, and 7 and 8. So of all those, only 7 and 8 enable you to get to 15. But you have to do minus 7 and minus 8. So this will equal z minus 7 z minus 7 brackets z minus 8. And now you should probably check this one just in case. Z squared minus 7 z minus 8 z plus 56, because a negative times a negative equals a positive. And this will simplify down to z squared minus 15 z plus 56. So z minus 7 times z minus 8 is the final answer. So this question is another example of dots, but it is just a bit bigger, with bigger numbers. So first you have to do is find the squares. So 144 is 12 squared. And y squared is obviously y squared. And 225 is also 15 squared. Since everything can be squared, this is a difference of 2 squares, but, well, this one got 3 squares, but it doesn't really matter. So, if you watched part 1, we've done this sort of question before. It's very simple. 12y minus 15 then you have to do 12y plus 15. So everything cancels out, but yet there's still a negative. Okay, since we have this, if you have to check this question, it's not very hard to check. You multiply them out. And I'll be doing this quickly because otherwise it takes a long time. So 12y times 12y is 144y. Then you have 12y times 15. So we have plus 180. And we have minus 15 times 12. Then so we have minus 180y. 180y. Then we have plus, no, it should be negative because there's a negative here. Minus 225. And since the 180 and the minus 180 cancel out, you have 144y squared minus 225 is the same as the question. So 12y minus 15 times 12y minus 15 is the final answer for this question.